Today we learn the most difficult topic of German, the nominative, accusative and dative. So basically, if you take for example this sentence, I give my mom flowers. So who is doing the action of gifting? Who is the doer? I. So I became nominative subject. Gift is conjugated or its endings change as per the subject. I gift, he gifts, and so on. Now I gift what? I have flowers in my hands at present. My mom is somewhere far away. When she comes to me, I give the flowers to her. So the flowers are directly connected to me. So it becomes the direct object accusative. AD stands for accusative direct. Accusative and dative is nothing but objects. Accusative is the direct object and dative is the indirect object. To whom am I giving these flowers? I am giving these flowers to my mom. So mom is indirectly connected to me. She is somewhere far away. I give the flowers to her and that time she takes the flowers. So my mom is indirect dative object. So to remember what is accusative and what is dative, you can use this question whom for dative and what or who for accusative. Dative is usually 99% of times a person and accusative can be a thing or person. Subject is always nominative, never the object is nominative. So I hope that these articles and this concept is clear. The articles for nominative are there, the, das, the, there for masculine, the for feminine, das for neutral, and the for plural. And then the das, the for accusative. This is for nominative, this is for accusative, and this is for dative. All the articles that start with D are called as the in English, and the ones who start with E like eine, ein and so on, those are the indefinite or and articles like in English. So I hope this information is useful for you. Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you give me one example
Of?
how to frame a sentence?
Yes. So basically, whenever you want to form a sentence, the first important thing is the subject. You should decide what you want to say. Do you want to say about yourself or about a second person or about a third person? Here for example, I gift my mother the flowers. The same example in German. So ich is the subject or nominative. SMK is conjugated as per the subject. And meiner Mutter is the dative object and the Blumen the accusative object. Why? Because I gift what? So sentence structure is nothing but subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object, indirect object, direct object. So I gift what? The flowers, direct object, directly connected to subject, so it's called accusative or direct object. My mother is indirectly connected to the subject and it's a person, so it's an indirect object or dative object. And this is accusative object. Hopefully this explanation is useful for you and we meet next time. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, you have made such a complicated topic so simple. Thank you.
Thank you.